Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make Puran Poli at home. Puran Poli or Bakshalu as it is called in Telugu is traditional Indian sweet that is made with chickpeas, jaggery, maida and a lot of ghee. But today we'll be making Puran Poli with whole wheat flour. Before we start making Puran Poli, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new videos every day. To make Puran Poli, I have taken half cup of chickpeas or chana dal and soaked them in water for 2 hours. After 2 hours, they are soaked well. Remove the water and transfer the chickpeas or chana dal into a pressure cooker. Add 1/4 cup of water. Close the lid of the pressure cooker and cook on medium flame until the pressure cooker gives 2 whistles. Now let's make the dough. To make the dough, I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour and made a stiff dough by adding little by little of water. I have used not more than half cup of water to make the dough. Knead the dough for a while. After making a rough dough, I have added 1½ teaspoon of oil. You can use ghee too. Knead the dough again for 1 minute. Now cover the dough and rest this dough for half an hour. Meanwhile, our cooker has given 2 whistles. Our dal is cooked well. Transfer this chana dal into a mixer jar. Do not add any water. Grind this chana dal into a smooth paste. Our chana dal paste is ready. Now I have placed a pan on the stove on low flame. Transfer the chana dal into the pan. Now I have taken 130 grams of broken jaggery. Add it to the pan as well. Mix and cook these ingredients on a low flame until the jaggery dissolves into the dal completely. Add some ghee so that the dal and jaggery doesn't stick to the pan. Keep stirring, otherwise they may stick and get scorched. After 5 minutes, the jaggery is completely melted and the dal and jaggery mixture has thickened a little. Now remove from flame. Meanwhile, our dough has rested well. Knead the dough again. If needed, add in 1 teaspoon of ghee and knead it for not more than 1 minute. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of ghee. And now I am dividing this dough into large lemon sized balls. Make smooth dough balls out of this dough. After making all the dough balls, keep this aside. The dal and jaggery mixture has also cooled down a little. Now let's divide this mixture into same number of small balls as per the dough. After making the stuffing, keep this aside. Now let's start making the Puran Poli. To make Puran Poli, I have taken chapati maker base and I have placed a parchment paper on top of it. Grease it with some ghee or oil. You can use any plastic or polythene sheet that you have at hand. Now I have taken a dough ball and flattening it with the help of a rolling pin. After you have made a thick disc of this dough ball, take one of the stuffing balls and stuff it inside the chapati like I am showing you. Close the chapati and roll this out into a thin circular sheet. Make the Puran Poli as thin as you can. If the stuffing is peeking out a little, it is fine. For the first 2 or 3, do not worry about the shape of the Puran Poli. Just practice makes perfect. So keep making and you'll reach perfection within no time. If you see the edges are a little uneven, just adjust them with your fingertips. Make all the Puran Polis in the same way. After preparing all the Puran Polis, let's bake them on a tawa. To bake the Puran Polis, I have heated an iron tawa and I have greased the tawa with some ghee. You can use refined oil too. When the tawa is very hot, carefully lift a prepared Puran Poli, remove the parchment paper or plastic sheet and swiftly flip the Puran Poli from your hand onto the tawa. Cook this on a medium flame for 3 minutes on one side. After 3 minutes, flip to the other side and cook for 3 more minutes. Add in extra ghee if you find it hard to lift the Puran Poli from the tawa. Bake from both the sides well and transfer this into a serving plate. Bake all the Puran Polis in the same way. If you find it hard to flip the Puran Poli directly onto the tawa, this is another way of placing the Puran Poli on the tawa. Remove the parchment paper. Gently place the Puran Poli like I am showing you on the tawa. Add some extra ghee. If the stuffing is peeking a lot from the Puran Poli, then you need to add a little extra ghee or oil, as the stuffing tends to stick to the tawa a lot. Now carefully flip the Puran Poli and cook it from the other side for 3 minutes. If the Puran Poli is puffing up a little, gently press it down with the spatula so that it gets cooked evenly from all the sides. Flip and check if it is cooked from the other side well. Take this out onto a serving plate and serve hot. That's it. Very tasty Puran Polis are ready. Definitely try this one at home. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.